Guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching Funny It's. Today, now that you have guessed by the title of the video, we are going to be making cake, but not just any ordinary cake. It's a red velvet cake with cream cheese frosting and some cherry on top. Now, in case you're wondering how to make this delicious cake, then just keep watching, and without further ado, let's get started. We take a large bowl and a sieve and mix all our dry ingredients, that is the flour, the baking powder, some cocoa powder, and of course a pinch of salt, and we mix it all well. Now we're not making a chocolate cake here, so we're not using too much cocoa powder, but red velvet cake demands a richness and texture of a chocolate cake, so we are using little cocoa powder and mix it all up. Now don't think that red velvet cake is just vanilla cake with red food coloring. It's not, it's a lot more than that. That's why we are using chocolate here. And after you have sifted all the ingredients, give it a good nice whisk, and let's move on with our wet ingredients. So we take another bowl and some butter and soften our butter with a hand mixer. Make sure that the butter is room temperature beforehand, otherwise it's gonna be very difficult for the mixer. And as you can see that don't make my mistake. And then it's time to add some sugar, and you're gonna be needing a lot of it. Keep on mixing it and cream together butter and sugar until it looks like this. Now this is not the consistency. Keep on mixing, guys. It will lighten in color and will also increase in volume. And when it has increased in volume, it's time to add some eggs. We are going to be needing 3 eggs, but we're not gonna add all the eggs all at a time. We're just gonna be beating 1 egg, mixing it all up, then add another, and then mixing it all up, not all at a time. And make sure to scrape the sides of the bowl and get all the batter, the mixture of butter and sugar fully incorporated into the eggs. And keep on mixing it until it have a cream-like consistency. And keep on mixing it. And then it's time to add the vanilla extracts. Mix it all up. And then add the blood. It's not blood, guys, I'm just kidding. It's just red food coloring. So you just have to add quite a few dashes of it to make it bright red, and mix it all up. And then it will be time to add our buttermilk and the dry ingredients which we had prepared earlier. Now we start with the dry ingredients and end with the dry ingredients, but in between we add the buttermilk mixture 2 times, mix it up, and then again the dry ingredients. And when you have done it fully, just take a spatula, don't overbeat it, take a spatula and fold in all the remaining mixture that has been left out on the sides of the bowl. And then it's time to add half of the mixture into a fully parchment lined baking pan, and then give it a few taps and get it on fit for baking. Now while our cakes are getting baked, we take another bowl and pour in our homemade cream cheese. Now if you're wondering where to make it and where to find it, then you can just click on the eye on the right of your screen right now, and then add some butter, and a lot of butter, some lemon extracts. I like lemon extract with cream cheese, that's why I'm adding lemon extracts, some sugar, and mix it, incorporate it well before using a hand mixer, so that all the sugar doesn't come all over to your face. And when you're done, now it's time to use the hand mixer and mix it well until they form a whipped cream like consistency. Keep on mixing, and this is what is gonna be looking like. And make sure to scrape all the remaining mixture from the sides of the bowl and mix it up together until it looks like this, and you're done. Make sure to freeze it. Now that we've given the cakes plenty of time to cool and also cut the cake horizontally, into 4 parts. Now it's time to assemble. So we take one cake and pour in some of our cream cheese butter and line it well with an offset spatula. Now this is very relaxing to watch and also very satisfying. So sit back and relax and enjoy the process. Sorry for the bad lighting, by the way. I just realized when it became too much brighter. Um, don't worry if your cake gets a bit cake breaks a little bit, it's gonna be all fine because the cream cheese mixture is too tight and it will hold the cake well. You just have to be very gentle with it. And this was our last cake slice, by the way, so we just have to add a little more cream cheese for the crumb coat, and don't forget the sides. We just have to crumb coat the sides little by little, and then when you're done crumb coating, you just have to freeze it. Now when you're done with the crumb coat and chill thing, it's time to layer the cake for one last time. Now as this is the final layer, so make sure that the cakes don't show because it doesn't match the aesthetics, but it doesn't look bad as well. So if you want, you can just skip this part. Now it's time to add some dollop of cream cheese on the top. I don't know what this is called, so I'll be calling it dollop only. But if you know what this is called, do let me know, okay? And on some of the centers also. And then we add some cherries on top. And then we line the bottom of the cake with some crumbled cakes and some gems mixture to make it look good. And also I've just done a lot of minute picking up the red ones from the whole lot of gems, so make sure it looks good. Give it a like for that. Now after you have decorated everything and chilled for a little while, this is how it looks like. It looks so yummy and so beautiful. I can't believe that I have done this all by myself. I'm not being proud here, but still it's like too hard to believe. Now let's cut into the cake and see how the inside turned out to be. And moment of truth has come. Oh my god, this looks so yummy. I just want to dive in right now. Oh my god, it looks so yummy. I just want to eat it. Let me try, but before that, just give this video a like and share and subscribe also. Bye.